Hello guys, good morning! Mga kabibs ni and bibs! So, for today's video, we are here on our apartment where we stay. And this is the apartment. I don't know if you can see it because it's so bright. That's the sea. On our balcony. Nice feelings when you sleep and you hear the waves of the sea. So it's the sea. That's the one. So I have a 2 pound